Honors U.S. History students, here's our week preview. Let's look at the agenda first. The first couple of days are going to be dedicated to testing. So that test, if you were in class yesterday, that we talked about is available today, and it will remain available tomorrow, and with the hope that you get it done today or tomorrow. I'd like to grade it over the weekend and have it available for you to do a reassessment if necessary on Tuesday. Then we tried to be clever, I don't know if that's the right word, but we tried to time up what we're learning right now with the election. So Unit 2 is the American system of government, and Friday's 2 assignments are going to be about how the president is elected. So we'll be reading about the Electoral College system, how it's changed over time, and we'll be looking at the Electoral College map for this year and in previous elections. Coming back on Monday, we'll be learning about the basic principles of our government, focusing on checks and balances, and viewing it through the lens of Supreme Court nominations. We'll be looking specifically about what's taken place recently to show the interaction between the three branches of government. Tuesday, then, make sure that you're making progress on your personal project journals. I know some of you are done, but there's quite a few of you that haven't started. If you have questions on that, please ask. And then, again, you'll have an opportunity to take a second attempt on the Unit 1 test. Contact me if you have any questions. Have a great day.